Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
It's such a pleasant thing to hear your good mornings in
Good
the
morning, ma'am.
right away. I really enjoy your voices and I love the way you say a good morning. Thank you so much.
Good morning, ma'am.
Wishing you a wonderful morning as well, all of you.
Ma'am.
All right. So I hope you're through with writing the book review.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you all attempted the book review? Good. So who is coming on the screen?
Ma'am, me.
Me has a name.
Anjali.
Anjali. All right, Anjali. Come. Put your script. Good morning. Good to see your face also. And yes, let's focus on your work. Let's see your work, your register. Yes, Anjali. So we are all ready to study along with Anjali. This is the book review. Yeah, let me focus. Let me see the date for today. 10. Very good. So this is the work done on 10. Show me the index. Take me to the index page. Very good. Let me see. All right, film review, and we have to make an entry for this. Please make an entry for 10. Book review. Great, good. Now let's come back to that page. So I hope you've all had a look how the index should be complete also, and very neat work. I'm very enjoying to see her register. It's such a pleasure. I wish I could hold the register in my arms, like earlier I would, I enjoyed carrying your registers in my arms, and I would not let anyone else carry them because I felt, your registers are so filled with love, they're filled with your hard work. So only my arms should carry your register. I remember many children would say, "Ma'am, may I carry? May I carry?" And I never had the time to explain that why I would not allow most of the time for anyone else to carry these registers, because these registers are so filled with your hard work and your love, and I always like to carry these register in my arms very carefully. I hope you remember this. Do you remember this? Those of you who
Yes,
are in
ma'am.
my sections, of
Yes, ma'am.
uh, you know, there were times when yes, I would request some of you to do it, but most of the time I do. All right. Point number one. Anjali, begin. Read out. Read out. Tell me the point, and then we read out.
First point is name of the book. The
Hmm.
name of the book is Some Kind of Courage.
Hmm.
Some Kind of Courage is very classic, depressed, and emotional book.
He, what is that second word?
Depressed.
No, depressed and emotional book. Some kind of, what do you mean by this word? I'm trying to understand. Why have you used is a very classic, is okay. Depressed, why do you want to say
Sorry,
that?
ma'am, I'm late.
That's okay. That's okay. I'm glad you could make it. I understand it must have been some logging issues. Thank you for that apology. Yes. Why depressed, actually? What do you want to say?
Ma'am, because this story is very emotional about a boy who have lost everything,
All right. So
but he
say,
doesn't
okay.
lost
I,
hope.
okay. So say some kind of courage is a very classic book, um, showing the depressions, showing the depressed state of a boy. So we'll have to correct it like that. है ना? It's a very classic, but showing depressed state of a boy who never loses hope. Isn't it? That's what you said. Who never loses hope. Full stop. Full stop. We'll save this an emotional book. Let's cut it away. We'll save it for genre. We can put this line in genre that it's a book which makes you emotional. Okay. Yes, authored.
The second point is author. This book is authored by Dan Geminhart.
Why do you want to write such a difficult spelling? Say it has been authored by Tejasri Bajpai. Something which is easier to write. Okay, be careful, children. Take up a spelling which is very easy for you. There are no marks for.
It's a real book.
A real or unreal, it does not matter. This is what I'm trying to tell you. It does not
Okay,
matter.
ma'am.
Marks are not for writing about the real book. The marks are for writing the review correctly. This is, see, I'll repeat this. I'll repeat this for all of you. Many a times, see, same thing with film review. We keep wondering which film to write, which film to write. Here also we keep thinking which book. Good, if you're writing a real book, very good. In case you're not writing a real book, take up a book and think about the points on your own. है ना? Because the marks are not for writing about a real book. Suppose you write some book which you made up. We had made it up the other day, some book, Green Star and all that. Marks will be the same. They won't change. All right, I think I'll skip these points because we have taken up these points in yesterday's somebody's film book review published prize. Let's go to language. What was the point after that? We worked upon these points, so I will go on to the point which we hadn't covered yesterday. Scroll up. What is the next point after
genre?
No, we'll take up genre. We missed genre yesterday, so let's take up genre. Genre, genre. Yes, genre. Please read.
Genre of this book is fiction, and the critically acclaimed author of The Honest of Truth returns with a poignant, hopeful, and action-packed story about hurt that won't be tamed and spirits that refuse to be broken.
All right, so here the more important
Names and characters.
Just a second. Let me tell you what's going wrong here. So the genre you've told us is a fiction. We don't need to know the story here. You're talking about its action packed. So that is genre. So we can strike off other things here because that will make you lose marks because you will go grammatically wrong. When I say you, I don't mean Anjali. I mean all of us together. Okay, so this is just one script, but it is on behalf of all. So here we can talk about its action packed, that's genre. It's fiction, that's correct. Then that's all.
One more point.
What else?
Name, characters, and incidents use our author's imagination, and any resemblance to actual persons, events, living or dead, is entirely coincidental.
Is incidental. What? I don't know. What have you written?
Confidential.
All right. So I think we won't need rest of the lines. We will only need in genre. The third point that can come is one is fiction. The second is it's action packed. Number 3 can come. Where is it? Names, characters, and what did you say after that? Names, characters, and
names, character, incident.
And incident.
Use our author's imagination.
Author's imagination.
Author's imagination.
Full stop. Imagination. So the genre is that the book has something imagined, which is not real. Number 2, we are told that it's a story which has a lot of action. And the very first point, we were told that it is a fiction. So for genre, these 3 points are enough. Rest of it you can cut away. You may end up losing marks when we write like this rather than gaining. All of you also check on the genre so that you all get the genre right. Next point. So cut away the other thing, please strike off. Put a curly bracket of what is not needed. पहले line पे tick लगा दो. Fiction पे margin में tick लगाओ. And you've not underlined genre underline it. ठीक है. You put a tick here, and then which was the other line we took up, which is correct? Action packed. Underline that. Action packed. Bas, that's it. Put a tick there. Okay. Third one was imaginative. Yes. Now, rest of it, put a curly bracket in the second, third, fourth, fifth line. इधर बनाओ. Curly bracket बेटा margin में बनाओ. हाँ, यहाँ से लेके और जहाँ लंबा जा रहा है वहां तक, यहाँ तक. और यहाँ लिख दो IR, capital I and R. I, capital I, R, capital R. It means irrelevant. अब full लिखो. IRR E relevant, BANT. Irrelevant means not needed, not required, useless, waste. So this is the way it would happen, that what is not required is marked as irrelevant. It's junk. It's junk. What else is junk? There was some other line. Right, so put a curly bracket there also and write down IR. It means it's junk, not needed. NN, not needed, not required. NR, kuch bhi ho sakta hai. NR means not required. IR means irrelevant, off the point. Okay, so I hope you all understood what goes wrong here. Next point, please.
Next point is language.
Go on.
The language used in this book is in simple English, and no dictionary is required to understand the difficult words. It only just tells the story, but also includes not only just tell the story, but also include quotes and phrases in between.
हाँ, so not तो आपका रह गया. It not only just tells the story. It not only just tells the story, but also includes quotes and phrases in between. अब क्या था, थोड़ा लैंग्वेज प्रॉब्लम था, पर अभी तो हम लैंग्वेज का मिस्टेक बेटा गोला बना दो जहाँ लैंग्वेज मिस्टेक है, so that when we'll be giving marks we'll be clear, है ना? Whatever was missed out and all that, just put big circles there. Right, now put a tick. Language content is beautiful, wonderful. Two things you've told us about what language is it, then you've told us it's a simple language. Another point you can add here is that the language touches the heart. The words used are such that they touch the heart. I mean, this is just an example. Don't have to write so much. You have to write any 2 lines on language you can choose. Next.
Next point is age group. Some kind of courage book is suitable for age group 10 to 20 years age, most probably for the student, because the storybook is quite motivating, which teaches the readers not to lose the hope and fight till you have confidence to do so.
All right, just a second. Some kind of courage. We don't need the word book. Some kind of courage, we already know is the name of the book, so we don't repeat the word book there. Some kind of courage. Book ko hata do. Okay. Now let me see. Some kind of courage is suitable for age group 10 to 20 years for people, right on, for people in the age group before age group, we will have to use the word people. For people in the age group. For people in the age group, yes, in the age group 10 to 20 years. Full stop after that. Put a full stop after that. Make small sentences, so that we don't go wrong. One thing in one sentence. Now, what is the next sentence? Reframe it.
Ma'am, most probably for
Okay, probably हटाएंगे and we'll make
which
it. We'll change the sentence and we'll make it most suitable. Instead of saying probably, we'll make it most, M capital, because we are starting a new sentence. Most suitable for students. Most suitable, है ना, ज़्यादा अच्छी किन के लिए है? Students के लिए. That's what you're trying to say, I understand from your lines. Most suitable for students, because this storybook is quite motivating, which teaches the readers not to lose hope. Lose hope and fight till and fight. Full stop कर दो. And fight on. Fight on कर दो. बस. All right. So you get your, though there are a lot of language mistakes, but let's get the marks first. So you got the mark for, this was a point of, point क्या था ये? Age group. So put a tick. एज ग्रुप का आपको मार्क मिल गया है, लेकिन कितना सारा हमारा लैंग्वेज मिस्टेक से बाद में देखेंगे. यस, गो ऑन. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट प्लीज.
this is the summary,
Ma'am.
All right. Somebody else wants to come up? Somebody else wants to show the script, and then maybe we can take somebody else's work also. Anyone else? Anyone else? I'm giving you a chance if there's anyone else who wants to take up the work. If you want your work to be checked, raise your hand and I'll take up your work. Otherwise, we'll carry on with Anjali's work. All right, Anjali, since I don't see a raised hand, we'll go on with your work. Summary.
Summary. This is the summary.
Please read it.
This story is based on a boy of 12-year-old named Joseph Johnson searches the northwest frontier for his missing horse and a new family. When first his mother and beloved little sister died of typhoid, and then his father dies in a wagon accident, Joseph is left in the care of Drunkard, his Indian pony Sarah, his only remaining family. When the Drunkard sells Sarah for
Drunkard. Why will not come? Drunkard. Sharabi. Isn't it? That's what you mean to say. Drunkard. Why will not come? In both the words. Yeah. So put a gola there. Put a circle so that you remember where are the mistakes.
I think it's some kind of yard or what.
Then it should have been junkyard. No, it says he is left in the care of a drunkard. A person who is a drunkard. जो बहुत शराब पीता था. It should be a junkyard. I do not know what you're trying to say, but if it's care, it means that the person is under the care of a person who happens to be a drunkard. And a drunkard, again, why will go away? Care of drunkard in the previous line. Father has died, mother has died, hai na? And now Joseph is left in the care of a drunkard, his Indian pony. Yes, carry on.
Pony Sarah, his only remaining family. When the drunkard sells Sarah for slender, Joseph reclaimed his father's pistol, takes the money given for the horse, and set out in pursuit on foot. Throwing unforgiving wilderness. He wants Sarah back more than almost anything, but he sees the star as the campfire his family members sit around, and he plans to be the person they taught him to be. So when he finds starving, abandoned Chinese boy Ah Ki, Joseph spends part of his horse money to feed him. Ah Ki joins him on the trail, and together they battle grizzly bears, survive river rapids, cling to the outside of a steam train, and deliver a pioneer's woman baby, all without speaking a word of each other language. Told in Joseph uh,
Authentic.
authentic voice, this is a true adventure with strong underpinnings of moral courage and love. Genuine heart shines truth on difficult situations such as Joseph shooting as outlaw, and the ending brings Joseph home. There was a plenty of sadness in the story I read on, but it wasn't sad all the way through.
I read on. Why did you talk about yourself? Was there a point asking how you felt? Is there a
Yes,
point?
ma'am.
Tell me the point. What is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
point? Tell me the point. If there's a point, no, no. Flip to the points, beta, where the question is. Go to the question. Tell me. Summary. It says brief summary. Does it talk about your opinion here along with the summary?
Ma'am, it's not my opinion, it's author's opinion, I think.
No. So this is what you have to learn, that you're supposed to write a book review yourself. You're not supposed to copy paste from anywhere, isn't it? Number one. So this is something that you have to be very clear on. Right now I'm accepting what you've written because this is just a very first attempt that class 11 is doing. So it's okay. But what we have to write down here is the brief summary, brief story. And here, if you look at the word brief summary, I have not asked along with it in the question your opinion. I have asked your opinion, but that's the last point. है ना? Come to that paragraph again. Brief summary paragraph. I hope all the other children are able to understand what and how things can go wrong. So we make a curly bracket around this and we write IR. All right. Rest of it you can give 1 mark. Rest of it you can give 1 mark. You can give 1 tick. Where you began the summary, there you can give 1 tick. The tick has been got, but there was small portion which was, now there are a lot of grammatical errors which at the moment I'm not taking up. I'll take up the grammatical errors later. I am concentrating on the content and how you will write the content as of now. Move on to the next paragraph. Good work till here. Main characters, isn't it? That's the next point. Yes.
Main characters of the story are Joseph Johnson, Sarah the horse, and the Ahki who lead a wonderful role and are the main characters of some kind of courage book, storybook.
All right. So here you can even talk up a little about their character here, and the characters don't just mean name. So we can do a little addition here. The main characters are the genuinely kind-hearted Joseph. I think he came out as a very kind-hearted person. है ना? So we need to talk about one quality of each character. Remember, whenever we are talking about the character, it won't be putting down the names. So add up that. What do you want? What do you want to add for Sarah?
Um,
Sweet Sarah?
horse.
Sweet would do.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sweet, or maybe you
Yes,
can say
ma'am.
gentle Sarah. Any one quality you can put up. What do you want to talk about the horse?
The horse.
Any quality about the
Ma'am,
horse?
good looking.
Okay, handsome horse. Okay,
Yes.
that could be one. Any other word? Wait. We'll look for another word. Yes, very good point. That was lovely. Another quality need not be physical. It has to be a
Ma'am, horse
quality.
color.
Try and think of a quality of the character, not just physical. I want to call it loyal, the
Yes, ma'am.
handsome, loyal horse. So we always, whenever we are talking about the quality, it should be something to do with your inner qualities and not just physical. So we'll make it combination of handsome, which is physical. Who gave that point just now?
Me.
Uh, give your name, child. I can repeat it on the video. So
Then
that
Chaitanya Gupta.
Chaitanya. Thank you, Chaitanya. That was wonderful. So it's handsome, and so this is the way you need to put it in your own script. Yes, good. Give yourself a mark here. Put a tick. Next.
Next is the attractive features of the book.
All right. I'll
Uh,
again invite, just a
the
second.
attractive features.
Anjali, just a second. Excuse me, child. Anyone else who would like to show up the script here, would like to take up your script, I invite. Anyone who's written about the attractive features and would like to take it up here on screen, I extend an invite now. No. All right, so we'll carry on with the work of Anjali.
The attractive feature of this book that this book is very catchy and attractive for readers. The story of this book is divided into the chapters, and there are total 23 chapters. It also contains a small sticker book provided free with the purchase of this book. On the purchase of this book, it also contains a bookmark attached with the front cover, and information about the author, website, short summary is prescribed on that bookmark.
All right, you decide, all of you. Where will you put the tick in this whole thing? In attractive features, where is the most relevant points? Let the other students decide. All the students decide what would be relevant and what is IR here, what is not relevant. Yes, Chaitanya.
Ma'am, there are some facts at the end of the book.
No, from this work, from her work, what will you pick up to give marks and what would you leave out? What would you call it as irrelevant? From Anjali's work, we are focusing on her work. Everybody can take a try so that you will all understand that when you write something like this, how will you know what is valid to be picked up, to be written? Yes, Janvi?
Ma'am, number of pages.
Sticker provided free is right point.
It's an attractive feature. Yes, Janvi. Yes,
Yes.
Chaitanya, you were saying something. Somebody said number of pages or something. I don't know. What were you trying to speak? Please complete your... No, not here, not here, not here. It's only
Ma'am?
attractive features. Yes, Tejasvi.
Ma'am, the book is very catchy and attractive is valid, but the story of this book is divided into chapters and there are total. This is something irrelevant.
All right. So you mean to say number of chapters and all that? No need for
Yes,
attractive
ma'am.
here. Maybe this could go in, your pages and all. Hai na? So
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Acha, another thing, Tejasvi, I would like to help you with is when we say the book is very catchy and attractive, you know why this point is not valid? Why? Because it is not telling us what is catchy about it. It is only describing that the book is very catchy. But क्या है उसमें catchy? ये तो कोई बताया ही नहीं, तो इसलिए ये point incomplete रह गया, है ना? यही तो पूछा है कि tell us what is catchy in it, what is attractive in it. So therefore, no marks for that line also. Yes, sticker. We are told there is a sticker, so that is a very attractive thing. Yes, try others. Others, please try. What else you think is fine, you find is relevant under this point, attractive features? Very good try, both of you. Never mind even if you go a little wrong. At least you tried and you learned. It's not about I go wrong, I make mistakes, I also, but that doesn't mean I stop teaching, isn't it?
Ma'am,
Yes, Anuradha.
ma'am, in book review we write a school book or not?
It could be any book that you want to write on. It's not important which
Okay.
book. कोई सी बुक में लिखना है बेटा,
Ma'am.
मैंने कहा ना हाईली इमेजिन्ड बुक भी हो सकती है, बुक हो भी ना तो भी उस बुक पे लिख डालो, अपने आप नाम बना लो, अपने आप ऑथर बना लो.
Ma'am,
But
it
हाँ,
also
Short
contain a
summary is
bookmark.
not.
yes,
Ma'am, short summary is irrelevant.
it has an attractive feature. Maybe I think the summary at the back of the book is attractive because people can read it and decide whether they want to buy this book or not. What do you say? Will it help you? आप बुक खरीदने जा रहे हो, उसमें पीछे छोटा में लिखा है कि इसमें ऐसा ऐसा है, तो आप जल्दी पता लगा लोगे ना कि बुक चाहिए भी कि नहीं चाहिए. So do you think that adds to the attractiveness of the book?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? So
It also
that point
contain a bookmark.
it contains a bookmark. I think that's the most
Ma'am,
attractive
this
also.
is the attractive feature.
Very attractive feature. Very good. So she gets that 1 mark under attractive features. I think she's written 2-3
Yes,
points
ma'am.
under attractive.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now,
Yes.
please mark. Whose are we checking? Anjali. Anjali,
It
please.
also contain a bookmark with
Yes.
front cover and informative
Information about. है ना? So all that is correct. So,
about other author and website.
very good. So now you're understanding now that if you were to write this book review, what will you pick up? Now, what Anjali, please mark not needed. Make a curly bracket and see where were the points which are not needed. In the margin, make yes. And this time you can write down NN, not needed. And NN bhi likh do wahan par. I may write NN, which means not needed. IR not needed. So it would be off the mark, off the point, and all that. So this is the way I'm trying to tell you how you can examine, evaluate your own answer, so that you will know what is it that I should not be doing, because it will not get me marks. I hope this online correction is helping you children. I hope online evaluation of any one script is helping you children. Please let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can even put it in the
Yes,
chat,
ma'am.
you know. You can even put it in the chat if it's helping you. Let me know, how is it helping you? Let me hear. कैसे मदद मिल रहा है? क्या हमें अच्छा है इसमें? Online corrections
We
में.
can able to know what is the mistakes in our own subject with in our own book review which we write.
Very good, Divya. Thank you for that feedback. Anyone else who can understand this? Who finds it useful? Is it an attractive feature of my teaching?
Yes, ma'am.
If you were to review my teaching methods, then would you find this useful or irrelevant?
I'm useful.
Useful.
Ma'am, useful to us.
Useful, ma'am.
All right. What about the others? What do you think, Kunal, Nancy, Pratna?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
useful.
useful.
It's
Ma'am,
very
useful.
it's helping you. Thank you so much,
Yes,
because
ma'am.
your feedback is so important to me. You know, if it is useful, I'll continue finding new methods and new ways. See, online is so new for all of us. So I'm trying to find how to do that it's useful for all of you. So keep giving me your suggestions, keep giving me your feedback, and I promise I'll keep improving as a teacher, and I'll find new ways, new methodologies, and we can all learn together and make it interesting. I hope it's not boring. Is it? You want to give it a thumbs up? Okay, thank you, Anuradha. Thank you. Yeah, so all those who like it, who like this method, can give a thumbs up, and it's all recorded and I'll be posting it on YouTube also, so you'll get a chance. Let's move on with the next point. Anjali. Thank you. You can go on with your thumbs up. Yes, Anjali. What is the next book? Let's go back to the question and see what is the next point so that we don't miss out anything. So now do one thing. Put a tick on whatever you've covered. Name of the book you've covered. Put a tick. This is self-check. This is done. Author is done. Keep putting whatever is done. This is done. Yes, 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 yes. Good. We've done attractive features. Now we're talking about the design of the book cover. All right. Let's take up the design now. Please read.
The cover of this book is designed by Nina Goffey, who is very famous, talented, and experienced design maker. And the pictures
Designer.
used in this book.
We'll make it as designer. Experienced designer, not design maker, but designer. Yes. So that goes away.
Designer, and the pictures used in this books are by Jacket Art, are designed by Jacket Art. The design of the book is black, light blue, and red in color, with the pictures based on the story that the boy is seeing the stars when he miss and make a picture of his horse Sarah in the sky. The cover of the book is very smooth, and at the back of the cover, quotes and phrases are inscripted with the name of the people who gave them.
All right. How many do you think she gets a tick here under this mark, under this, or do not? Does she get a tick?
Ma'am, excuse me, please.
Yes, sure, Divya.
Ma'am, and the cover of the book we cannot attach with the interactive features. Attractive features.
Attractive features, you should be able to do it if there is no point like design of the cover. Suppose the design of the cover is not a separate point, then you can cover it under attractive features.
Attractive features.
But here in this question, I have divided both the points. So that means in this you specifically will have to talk about the cover.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
hope I'm clear. Otherwise, suppose this point is not there. Suppose this point is not there, then definitely you can include a little line about the cover in the attractive features itself. So she gets a mark here. There are a lot of grammatical mistakes. I'm not taking up that just now, but the content is. So can we give her that 1 mark?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, pictures at the picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Very well brought out. Of course, there are language errors. We will discuss on language errors later, but the content is very correct. Let's move on to the next point.
Impact on readers.
Impact on the readers, all right.
This book has a very emotional, heart-touching impact on readers. Every comment includes "I cried after reading the story," etc. This shows that this is a very emotional story that is suitable for horse lovers.
All right. So can we give her the mark for impact?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So she gets some marks there
Yes,
for the
ma'am.
impact. Also very well brought out that it's very emotional. It leaves people, you know, it's horse lovers can enjoy it and all that. Wonderfully brought out. Again, there are language errors. I'm not discussing language errors in this particular thing. Okay, let's quickly take up.
Ma'am.
We have less than a minute. Let's see if we can quickly cover up the last point too.
Relates to the real-life opinion of the readers. It relates to real-life opinion to those who have lost everything and lost their hope. This book is like eye-opener to them and teaches them not to lose the hope and should try again and
I
again.
would read only till here and give you a mark.
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? Because it's already brought
Yes,
out
ma'am.
that it's an eye opener. So give yourself a mark
Eye
there.
opener.
Give yourself right. You know, I will read on.